The holy grail of marketing is still email. With all the other marketing out there through social media, paid ads, and any others, the goal is still always to take the traffic that you buy with paid ads and the traffic that you earn through your social media posting and turn it into traffic that you own. For all the hype around getting more attention and building a brand, still the number one way businesses are built is through your email list. Is email marketing still profitable? For every dollar you spend on email marketing, it can earn you an average of $36 in return. This is higher than any other form of marketing. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective forms of advertising on the market. Do people still use email? Email is being used by over 4 billion people, more than half of the total population, and this number continues to grow. Over 300 billion emails are sent and received daily. That is every day, and that number continues to increase every year. Does email marketing get business? Although social media marketing is an important tool for growing your business, email marketing remains the most effective way to drive sales. According to research by McKinsey & Company, 60% of people say they have bought from an email they received. Compare that to only 12.5% of people that said they would only consider buying something on social media. And though social media is important, getting people to sign up for your email list remains the gold standard of marketing. Can I target the right audience with email marketing? One of the major benefits of email marketing is its ability to automate certain processes, such as automatically sending a welcome message when someone subscribes. Furthermore, using email segmentation, you can send different content to different segments of your contact list in order to make emails more personal and relevant for each reader. This type of targeted marketing can increase click-through rate by 50%, making this type of marketing an essential tool for any business. So it's clear, email marketing is something we need to do for our real estate business. But what emails do we send out and how can we automate it? Welcome to Lead Agent Pro, where we give out tips to help real estate agents and brokers get more leads with their marketing. In this video, we will go over what are some of the best emails to have ready to send out, which emails should go out through automation, and the purpose for each. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building an email marketing strategy that works for you and your real estate business. Email marketing is a staple in the real estate business. This is super important as it's one of the most cost-effective ways to reach out to your potential clients and current customers. In fact, according to a report from Marketing Sherpa, email marketing has an ROI of $36 for every dollar spent on it. But what exactly are you doing with that email marketing? Are you just sending out generic emails with no personalization? Or are you using automation tools to make sure that all of your customer information is being used at every step of their journey? If you're not using it, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with your clients and market yourself as an expert in your field. The truth is, email marketing can be easy, but it can also be hard. If you've never done it before, the thought of sending out emails might seem daunting. You might wonder if anyone will ever open them or read them. But here's the thing. People love getting emails from experts who know what they're talking about. And as long as you do it right, they'll love getting them from you. So it's clear, email marketing is something we need to do for our real estate business. But what email do we send out and how can we automate it? And most important, how can we use our email marketing to build trust and credibility for our potential clients? 1. The welcome email. If you're a real estate agent, you know how much time and energy goes into finding new clients. But once you found them, you need to keep your name in front of them in order to ensure that they stay in your pipeline. And the best way to do that? Welcome emails. Welcome emails are an excellent way to re-engage potential buyers after they've left their contact information with your company or website. They're also a great way to collect feedback from potential buyers about their experience with the company and its products or services so far. These two things are crucial for realtors who want to improve their customer service and ensure that clients feel like they're getting the most out of their interactions with a particular agent or agency. With welcome emails, these can be set up to go out automatically once your potential clients have signed up for your email list. Why would they sign up for your email list? Because of the free item you have promised them. Think of your email list as an exchange. You are giving your potential clients something they want in exchange for their email address. This is called a lead magnet. This could be a checklist of the 5 things your client needs when they start their buying journey. It could be a list of 5 reports you need to have when buying a new home. Your lead magnet is something of value that you are giving them for free in exchange for their email address. Ideally, you want your free item to be something they can use right away. Your best free ones are checklists or outlines, something easy to consume for them in 15 minutes or less. And most important, something they get value from. We have other videos that go over specifically how to create your free offer. Now that we have our client on our list and we have sent them their free lead magnet in the first welcome email, we can build trust and credibility from here on out with future emails. 2. The feedback request email. After they have signed up to be on your email list, you want to get feedback on how you can best serve them. You may have have met with your prospects already, or maybe you haven't yet. They may have already seen other properties to this point. So this is your opportunity to get some information of what they are looking for, what they thought about the properties they have already seen, and more information that can help put them in front of the best properties. If you have an IDX integrated website, this is your opportunity to set them up on automatic alerts anytime new properties come on the market that fit what they are looking for. If they give you good information of 4 bedrooms, 2 baths in a specific neighborhood or school district in a certain price range, that is all the information you need to set up those automatic alerts for them. Ideally, you will send out this request through text as well, but when they signed up, they may not have given you their cell phone number. It may have been a little too personal in the beginning, but by sending out the lead magnet with information they wanted, you now have their email address to get this feedback from them. So no matter how your prospects came into your email list, whether it was from an open house, networking event, your website, or any social media marketing or paid ads, the goal moving forward is to serve your potential customer. And the best way to do that with this email is to get the best feedback of the best properties they want to see. 3. The open house survey email. One of the best ways to gather prospects is through open houses. If you have a listing or a friend has a listing, ideally you will get traffic coming through that home throughout the weekend. As they do, a sign-in sheet is a great way to gather their information. Even better is if you have your CRM right on your phone. You can have them sign in with their information and you can follow up with them from there. But at an open house, it may get busy and you may not see people after they have signed in. You may be showing the home to interested buyers. So, as you are busy, you may get people to sign in and leave before you have a chance to talk with them. So this open house email allows you to send out an email to get more information of what they thought of the property they saw. Also, this is where you can really showcase the features of your home, like the location, school district, and amenities offered in the area. You can also ask questions about what they were looking for in their new home and how happy they are with their current home. This will give you insight into what they're looking for, find out what they liked and didn't like, so that you can make sure that your property is a good fit for them. And if it's not a good fit, also remind them that you're there if they need help with buying a home. 4. The post-open house relationship builder email. The post-open house relationship builder email is the first step in turning a random lead into a buyer. This email should be sent out within 24 hours after your open house, and it should be personalized to each individual lead. It should start off with a quick recap of what you talked about at the open house, and then move on to a thank you for attending, and then ask for an opportunity to schedule another appointment if they're interested in buying or selling their home. Here are some tips to include in this email. 1. A strong subject line. You could use something from your conversation you had with them so they remember the connection you built at the open house. 2. An introduction with a call to action that shows them how they stand to benefit from working with you. Build your credibility here that you are the expert in the area. 3. A clear benefit statement that describes how working with you will affect their life in some way. Here you can include some testimonials and have them look at what your clients have to say. Remember, an open house is a chance for you to build relationships with the people who visit your home. And it's also an opportunity to build a relationship with a real estate agent. If you've established a good rapport with them, they might just refer you to future clients. 5. The neighborhood overview email. This email is great to send out to build authority with your email list. If you have new clients that have just signed up for your lead magnet and are now on your email list, get their feedback on what types of properties they are looking for and in which area. When you do go ahead and set them up on automatic alerts, so they will automatically get an email from you anytime new listings come available that fit what they are looking for. Also, as follow-up emails to this list, send out more information of the neighborhoods they are interested in. For those on your email list that have not responded with feedback of what they are looking for, take this opportunity to send them information about the popular neighborhoods, school districts, and the best places to live in your area. They may not have gotten back to you because they haven't narrowed down what they want just yet. So you can take this opportunity to build your authority status in your areas as an expert. When you are sending out more information, you can send them popular local stores or restaurants. This is also an opportunity for you to mention some of the community events coming up soon. Ideally, you will have this information on your website and you can use your emails to keep getting them back to your website as their go-to resource for that area. This email you can send out once a week, usually on a Monday or Tuesday, and it provides a quick overview of what's happening in the neighborhood and includes a link back to your website. This email is typically very short and to the point, no more than 3 sentences long, and it should be personalized at least to say hello, first name. It's a great way to keep your subscribers updated on what's going on around them. 6. The cancelled listings follow-up message. A great source of information on listings that have been cancelled or expired. When you see those come up on the market, send an email to that homeowner to ask why they cancelled or why their listing expired. It could have been priced too enough, in which in this scenario you may not be able to help them. They may just want more for their property than what people are willing to pay for it, or maybe they just decided not to sell and they weren't sure if they wanted to sell from the beginning and they decided to take it off the market. But it could have been other scenarios. Maybe the agent that was helping them could not find a buyer for their property, and you have a buyer's list you have cultivated with several interested in that area. Maybe they just didn't get along with their previous agent, or maybe they just needed some more time to get their home ready to sell. When you see a cancelled listing come through the MLS, have a follow-up email ready to send to those. You could have a drip campaign that you can now add them to as follow follow-up. These follow-up messages are a great way to let potential buyers and sellers know about your brand. You can build authority as the expert in the area, and it also gives you a chance to show them how your services can help them out. 7. The just sold email, internal use only. Your potential client has gone through the whole process with you. They started as someone you found through networking or an open house, or they may have found you online through the other marketing. But as they started with you, you built your relationship with them and they decided to list their property with you. Well, as any good real estate agent does, you put the word out to everybody. You have probably had showings from other agents in your office. You have had other agents that have called you from the MLS about your listing. Your other buyers on your own email list that are looking for a home to buy in the area, and the list goes on and on. And now you have an offer that your seller has accepted. Now the fun begins to open up escrow and start the process of the buyer being qualified and closing the transaction. But you have all this attention on your listing. So once you know your listing has sold, make sure you put the word out. Have a congratulations email to send out to your seller. Also, send out an internal use only email when a property you've listed has sold. This will let other agents at your firm know about the sale. This will stop the showings and let everybody know to move on to the next property. But it also works great because it gives other agents an opportunity to pitch potential buyers on buying another property from your firm. And this internal email within your company will make sure everyone stays up to date with any new clients or properties that are being sold by other agents within your company. This is a great way for everyone involved with managing properties to stay connected and on top of things. 8. The meeting invitation email. When your prospect first fills out the form on your landing page, you'll want to send them an email that confirms the information they entered and tells them about the next step in the process. Ideally, you have this email ready to send automatically in your CRM. If you aren't using a CRM, this could be as simple as saying thanks and confirming the time/date of your meeting. This email should also contain a link to your calendar where they can confirm their availability for this meeting. Also, by having a calendar link in the email, it allows them to pick a day and time that is good for them without conflicting with other appointments you already have set up. You will want to send your prospect an email that's warm, inviting, and professional. This email should be short and sweet, but it should also have all of the information that your buyer needs to know about the meeting. You can also include a link to the property listing so that they can see what they're going to be looking at in person. Use these as a list of our top best type of emails to send to your real estate clients that you can use today to attract leads and nurture them into clients. The emails listed earlier will be emails you will use often but won't necessarily have them set up to go out automatically. When sending out emails, the consistency is what will build their trust in you and your credibility with your potential clients. So, while the previous emails should be saved in your autoresponder database, these are emails that should be set up to go out on schedule to your email list. This ensures your target audience hears from you on a regular basis. 1. The welcome email. And when a new lead comes in and signs up to your email list, you want to make sure they know why they signed up in the first place. This is the perfect way to deliver your free lead magnets, and this is your chance to let them know exactly what they can look forward to as part of your email list and what they should expect from it. You can also let them know you plan to send out more emails with free information that will help them. You can also use this email as an opportunity to invite them into your community if they're not already members of it. 2. The informational email. If you have a lot of content that you want to share with your audience, this is where you should do it. This type of email is great for sharing helpful tips or breaking down complex topics into simpler pieces that are easier to understand. The key here is not just giving them information, but giving them actionable steps on how they can apply what they learned from your emails. These can also be great to send out videos you have made. You can send them to blogs you have put out. Maybe you added some content to your Google business page that would help them. These emails allow you to keep in contact with your target audience on a consistent basis without selling anything. Just offer value that you know will be helpful to them. The more you send these emails out, the more they will look forward to your emails. 3. The personalized email. You can also call these your soap opera emails. These are generally a 5 or 6 email sequence that allows you to talk about your history and how you are now the expert to get your target audience to their desired result. Talk about how you were once your dream customer. This is your current target audience. And now you have learned or earned the knowledge they will need to get to their desired result. You are your dream customer's guide because you have been where they are at now. And you can lead them through the issues that you're sure to run into because you already know the answers they will need. These emails are great for building relationships with your customers and prospects, as well as helping you stand out from the competition. The nice thing is when you set up these emails to go out through automation, they really help to build your email list. You can set up automated emails that will go out every week or month with content that will help them. Through these emails, you can build your relationship with your target audience. And as people sign up to be on your email list, they'll automatically be added to this content automation channel. Once you have this set up, it will always allow you to take the traffic that you buy and the traffic that you earn and turn all of it into traffic that you own. If you're looking for a way to improve your real estate business, consider using an automation tool. It can be used as part of a larger CRM system, or it can work as its own standalone solution. When putting your email strategy in place, including these automated emails have many benefits, including increased lead generation and conversion rates. We hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future videos as they come out. And if you want us to do this for you, you can book an appointment with us today, and one of our team members will show you how we can be your marketing team to do this for you. Our goal here at Lead Agent Pro is to bring useful marketing tips for real estate agents and brokers that can be implemented right away. See you in the next video.